A very good afternoon, students. Today I am here again with a topic from your English grammar book, lesson 25, comparison of adverbs. Though this topic is not coming for your final examination, I thought of taking it, just giving you an idea about this particular topic so that you can refer when you go to the higher class. Somebody will ask you what is comparison of adverbs, you should be able to just explain. So comparison of adverbs. So in the when we were learning adjectives, you know that we have learned already the comparison of adjectives. We have 3 adjectives that time also we learned, that is a positive, comparative and superlative. So same way here also we have the same. So it's a just an understanding that keeping mind both we have the same type of degrees. Like adjectives, adverbs also have degrees of comparison. So don't get confused. Same just like an adjectives, we also have a comparison in adverbs also. Read these sentences. We have some sentences given. Please follow the book, page 100. Anita runs fast. Anna runs faster. Ananya runs fastest. So we have the words fast, faster and fastest. So these are the 3 forms of the verb and degrees of comparison. That is, one is in the positive, simple statements, and one is in the comparison is made between somebody, and then we have the fastest, the most higher, whatever we use, that becomes the superlative degree. Now, in the above sentences, we can see that adverbs also have degrees of comparison like adjectives. Just like adjectives, we have the adverbs also has the same. Formation of comparative and superlative adverb forms. So, if the adverb is of one syllable, we form the comparative by adding er and the superlative by adding est to the positive. So, as we have already learned in adjective, same formation is here also. So positive, comparative, superlative, and we have some list of words: hard, harder, hardest. So in some positive degree we have to add er to get to the comparative and est to the superlative, and some are different ones, so we have to use more and most for the comparative and superlative, and some are entirely different one. So for that the words are different, so according to that we have to have the idea. So it is a just revision for like an adjective, but it is of adverb. So hard, harder, hardest, soon, sooner, soonest, long, longer, longest, loud, louder, loudest, near, nearer and nearest, high, higher, highest, late, later, latest. So we have another one for adverbs ending in ly. So any adverb that is in positive ending with ly, comparatives and superlatives are formed by putting more and most respectively before their positive forms. So some words we have this exceptional cases, but other than that, any adverb that ending with the ly, we use more or most for the comparison and superlative. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. We don't say quicklier and quickliest. No, that is wrong. So we have a quickly, more quickly and most quickly. Slowly, more slowly, most slowly. Angrily, more angrily, most angrily. So the adverb remain the same, only word we are adding. Rudely, more rudely, most rudely. Skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. Wisely, more wisely and most wisely. Swiftly, more swiftly, most swiftly. Brightly, more brightly, most brightly. So these are the ending with the adverb ending with the ly. Now we will go for the third one. Some adverbs change their degree for comparison in an irregular way. Means it is not the format followed, but is irregular. Means entirely different for the comparative and superlative. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, far, farther and farthest, much, more and most, near, nearer and nearest, late, later and latest. So this is all about this comparison of adverbs. I hope you have understood. Just for you to understand, and as you go ahead of the class, you should be able to understand. Yes, adjective and adverb both have the degrees of comparison and the same. Adverbs have degrees of comparison such as fast positive, faster comparative and faster superlative. So students, I will be sending and please go through the exercises, try to do by yourself, thereafter you will get the answers. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you.